Okay, you see all the cloud cover right there? When I walked up, there was a fish up here, right next to it. And it jumped away and damaged the side of the volcano, I'm sure. Okay, water level definitely going down. The spring is still pushing water off the side, so it's still active in the center. That one is active as well. And of course, that thing. But, so we've got 4 active craters. This one here, and the rest, that one stopped completely. Although, wait, the water is spinning in there. So something's happening. Yeah. There's chillins out here fishing in the channel. They don't know how to shut up when someone's filming. But anyways, this is still going. Day 30. We will be back later when there's less children running around.